think everything is moving smoothly? I think everything moves smoothly. सब मजे में हो ना जी? खाना पीना रहना कहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं है? बहुत अच्छा. Okay, Mala, on behalf of department, but are you okay? Don't be there. Now first let there be a song, I think. Oh, there will be dance. Chou nritya. Okay, you see one thing. Last night I said that we should start training academies for humans of different psychic strata, and also for plants and animals. Now regarding plants and animals also there are different strata. But these plants and animals must be metazoic structures having clear and distinct eye feeling, and not guided by mere instincts. In several living beings of ordinary protoplasmic structure, life is there, movement is there, but everything is done there by being guided by instinct, and there is no or little eye feeling behind. These training centers should be for metazoic structures where eye feeling is clear and distinct. Another point regarding creating more scope for rationality and rationalization, I said it should be done in all the three planes: physical plane, psychic plane, and spiritual plane. There are certain phenomena which occur in a blended plane, that is a blending of psycho-spiritual plane. In such a blended plane, we come across telepathy. In such a blending plane of subtle type of mind, that is subtle stratum of mind and cruder stratum of spirituality, we come across clairvoyance. And another supra-vocal power like omniscience. Omniscience is there only in pure spiritual stratum, where there is no fetters of duality, or where there is very slack or slackened fetters of duality. And similar is the case with the transmission of spirit or transmission of soul amongst different corporal structures existing at the same moment, that is of contemporary nature. This point, this appendix may please be included. One thing. Suppose there are several corporal structures existing at the same time, that is, they are of contemporary nature. Now, transmission of soul amongst themselves, this soul to that soul, that soul to that soul, like this, this transmission of soul amongst corporal structures existing at the same time. This is done, or this can take place where the spirit is free from all fetters of duality, or almost free from all fetters of duality. Such a thing takes place in supra-psychic structure, that is in spiritual level only. But if there is any blending of unit mind, it cannot take place. It is also a hidden, a coveted treasure of human mind. But I don't like that one should try to acquire these occult powers. One should only want to be one with the Supreme, and there must not be any longing for attainment of these occult powers. It is that. अच्छा, अब तो कीर्तन होता है।